Hi, I'm Julius from Systema Solutions, and today I'll be going through how to analyze, group, and pivot data and list pages using multiple tabs in Business Central. End users and data analysts can analyze data from list pages directly in the client without the need to open the page in Excel or run a report. The ability to analyze data directly in list pages raises the bar for what you can do without having to switch applications, while still allowing customers and partners to do more in report objects, Excel, Power BI, and other data analysis applications. Analysis mode is a new way of interacting with data on these list pages. Instead of running reports using different options and filters, you can simply add multiple tabs that represent different tasks or views on the data. To access this report, simply go to any of the list pages that have access to this feature. For example, customers list, sales orders, purchase orders, and so on and so forth. For this video, I'll be using customer ledger entries as an example. So to use this feature, we simply click on the toggle at the top, show analysis mode, and it will bring us a tabular form of all of the data that we have in this list. This table is interactable. We can highlight the cells in this, as well as at the bottom we can see how many rows there currently are, the total rows of the list, and more data on the right side. So here we can see that we have 17 rows highlighted, but if we highlight a column with numbers, it will calculate that as well, such as average, minimums, maximums, and sums. So on the right side here, we have the columns tab and analysis filters tabs. The columns tabs at the top has a list of all the columns that are available in this list. We can choose to show and not show columns like so, simply checking and unchecking. And at the bottom, we have row groups and values. I'll be showcasing off values in a bit, but row groups are a very useful feature that allows us to summarize data even more in this mode. So let's say I want to group all of this data by customer name. Simply drag this column down into row groups. And all of that data, unfiltered, is now separated into these 6 customer names, which are all interactable. We can choose to drop down and collapse and expand them. This feature also allows for subtotaling under the company name, which is where the values come into play here. So this amount sum, the subtotal amount is the sum of all the amounts in Kronos US, but we can change that if we need it. It's by clicking on sum amount here. And then let's say I want to get the average instead, click on average. The average amount instead changes, and that goes for all of the subtotals in the column amount. Before we go into pivot mode, there is also the analysis filters tab, wherein we can filter columns even more. Let's say the posting date. We want the posting date to be after a certain date. We can simply just enter it here. Or the document type, we want it to be to not include credit memos and reminders. And as you can see, there's a filtered icon that signifies that your filter is working. This is a handy feature if you want to further filter and customize your analysis page. Going back to columns, pivot mode works exceptionally well when you have row groups enabled, because if you click pivot mode, instead of it being a drop down, it just shows the row values here. So we can see that we don't have to go to collapse the page or expand the page as well. And we can see that the max original amount, the average amount, it's all here. So if you want a summary of all of your data, you want to group your rows via a column and then pivot mode. Lastly, the analysis page also features creating new views. By clicking the plus sign here, it will reset all of your filters like so. The row groups are gone, as well as analysis filters, but this allows for further customization in the case that, say, you want credit memos back here, or you don't want invoices here, or you want this list to be of a certain month, and so on and so forth. We hope that this feature allows you to interact with your data on the list pages more efficiently. This feature hopes to provide an easier time summarizing data for analysts so they can see these data without having to switch between multiple applications to see their representation. We hope that you use this feature to its fullest. Thank you.